Welcome today. We are diving into the synthesis repertory, one of the most popular and modern homeopathic tools crafted by the renowned Belgian homeopath Frederik Schroyens. This repertory was developed to bring clarity, precision, and clinical relevance to homeopathic practice, bridging the gap between classical wisdom and modern medical observation. Unlike older repertories, synthesis is structured, systematic, and is user friendly. Every symptom, every rubric is thoroughly organized, often with sub rubrics and cross references. Remedies aren't simply listed, they are graded by intensity, helping the practitioner weigh their options intelligently. This is especially valuable in complex cases where multiple remedies seem relevant. One of the standpoint feature of synthesis is its mind section. Emotional and mental symptoms are meticulously categorized, capturing nuance in moods, fears, anxieties, and thought patterns. This depth allows the practitioners to select the remedies that not only match physical symptoms but also resonate with the patient's mental and emotional state, which is crucial for the holistic healing. This repertory spans all major systems: general symptoms, fever, digestive issues, skin disorders, respiratory complaints, and neurological problems. Each rubric is grounded in clinical experience and materia medica references, ensuring that the remedies suggested are practically relevant and reliable. We'll see one example. For example, a rubric like headache, migraine, right-sided, lists remedies such as belladonna, gelsemium, and naxomica, graded for intensity, guiding the practitioners towards the most suitable prescription. Synthesis also stands out because it integrates classical and modern remedies. It includes traditional remedies from the old masters as well as the newer remedies validated through contemporary clinical experience. Its cross-referencing system allows quick navigation between related symptoms, which is incredibly useful when handling the multifaceted cases. Compared to classical repertories like Kane, Boric, synthesis is both analytical and clinically practical. Kane provides depth but lacks graded remedies and easy cross-referencing, while Boric is brief but less suitable for complex modern cases. Synthesis combines clarity, depth, and clinical applicability in one elegant system. In short, the synthesis repertory by Frederik Schroyens is not just a reference book, it is a trusted companion for homeopathic practitioners. Its carefully structured rubrics, graded remedies, detailed mind section, and cross-referencing systems make it indispensable for precise, holistic prescribing. Whether you are a student or a seasoned practitioner, mastering synthesis will significantly enhance your ability to treat your patients with confidence and accuracy. The slogan is Synthesis Repertory, where classical wisdom meets modern precision. Thank you.